Welcome back to our next music lesson, and we're going to jump right in. So, here we go. Let's look at our agenda today. We are thinking about habit number 2, beginning with the end in mind. And so, our learning target is to write a 16-beat rhythm that uses the music notes we have learned. And I will talk a little bit more about how to do that later in the video. And then our agenda, we are going to start with a new little warm-up just to get our singing voice going. We are going to add another layer to ding dong, diggy diggy dong. We are going to have a would you rather question that's not related to music. And then we are going to perform and practice writing those rhythms. And that's just relates to our learning target that I talked about before. Here is a new little warm-up. It's kind of funny, and it just gets our singing voice warmed up a little bit, and it goes like this. I am slowly going crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, switch. Crazy going slowly. Am I 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. I'm going to add one thing, and I know you can only kind of see me. Let's see here. I am slowly going crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, switch. Crazy going slowly. Am I 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. You're kind of resting your chin in your hands. And every time you say switch, you go to your other one. Ready? See if you can sing it with me. I am slowly going crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, switch. Crazy going slowly. Am I 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. All right, I'm going to sing. You sing back to me. Ready? I am slowly going crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, switch. Crazy going slowly. Am I 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. All right, I'm going to put that together, that last part. Crazy going slowly. Am I 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. We're going to put it all together, and then we're going to move on. We're not doing anything major with it today, just a new way of getting our voice warmed up and using our singing voice. Ready? See if you can do it with me. And make your singing voice sound like mine. Remember, singing with accurate pitch. Ready? I am slowly going crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, switch. Crazy going slowly. Am I 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. How did it go? All right. Ding, dong, diggy, diggy, dong. Diggy, diggy, dong, the cat, she's gone. Ding, dong, diggy, diggy, dong. Diggy, diggy, ding, dang, dong. Here's where we left it last time. Remember, the star is snaps. The blue rectangle is stamp. Just taking a step with your foot. And the red X's are the claps. Let's see if we can remember that. Ready? 1, 2, try it, go. Ding, dong, diggy, diggy, dong. Diggy, diggy, dong, the cat, she's gone. Ding, dong, diggy, diggy, dong. Diggy, diggy, ding, dang, dong. All right. Well, we are going to add our last layer on. And these green squiggles are going to be pats. So, when we're patting, we're taking turns with our hands. Diggy, diggy. They're always going to be on diggy, diggy in this poem. So it's going to go ding, dong, diggy, diggy, dong. Ooh, I'll slow it even down. You try it after me. Ready? Ding, dong, diggy, diggy, dong. Try it. Ready, go. Cool. Try it a couple times on your own. The next part also has that. Diggy, diggy, dong, the cat, she's gone. Try it. Ready, go. Diggy, diggy, dong, the cat, she's gone. Next part. Try it on your own. We know that that's the same as the beginning, the A section at the beginning, and there's our last one. All right, so our goal is to be able to do the whole thing without stopping, and it might take practice, but we can get there. So let's try it together. I'll put it back up for you. Beginning, kind of slow. 1, 2, ready, and go. Ding, dong, diggy, diggy, dong. Diggy, diggy, dong, the cat, she's gone. Ding, dong, diggy, diggy, dong. Diggy, diggy, ding, dang, dong. So one of the good things about these videos is that you can stop and rewind or stop and just pause it and practice. But the kind of bad thing is I can't really tell. Do you need more time? Do you not need more time? So I'm going to keep going, and we're going to just turn up the tempo, which is the speed of the whole thing, a little bit. But again, don't try to do it faster if you're still learning it at that slower speed. One more time, a little bit quicker. Here's our speed. Ding, dong, diggy, diggy, dong. Okay, that's the speed we're going to go at. Try it with me. Ready and go. Ding, dong, diggy, diggy, dong. Diggy, diggy, dong, the cat, she's gone. Ding, dong, diggy, diggy, dong. Diggy, diggy, ding, dang, dong. How did it go? So one part is just knowing the words and being able to not have to think about each word. Once you do that, then you can start really adding on those snaps and claps and pats and stamps. But it takes time and practice. So if you only do it like once, it's probably going to be pretty tough. If you can practice it up, it'll get better each time. All right. The goal again is to be able to do it from the beginning to the end with no stops. So check where you are in that, and then we'll go from there. Moving on, I have a would you rather question. And my question for you today is, would you rather have a pet dinosaur or a pet dragon? I don't know. Both have some kind of cool things to it. I think I would go with a dragon, but I don't know. They kind of also breathe fire, so it's kind of a tough one. Save your answer and maybe come up with a reason why, because I would like you to tell me on your seesaw response today. That'll be one of the parts of your seesaw response. Tell me if you'd rather have a pet dinosaur or a pet dragon. All right. And one of the other weeks, we went over all of these music notes. And today we are going to practice writing them. So we have quarter notes, eighth notes, quarter rest, 16th notes, half note, and syncopation. Whew, that's a lot. So let's look at this. We have already seen this rhythm. Let's see if we can make our goal to be fluent with it. Okay? When I say fluent, I mean just the same as what we were working on with ding dong, diggy diggy dong. Can you go from the beginning to the end without stopping and hopefully without making mistakes? If you make a mistake, like it happens, like musicians make mistakes, that's okay. But we do want to get to the point where we're not making a lot. And when we do make mistakes, we can still keep going instead of stopping and saying, oh, I messed up. So our goal is to be fluent, okay? It means it shows that you really are understanding these rhythms. It's just like learning a new language. When you can speak a sentence or ask a question in a new language, they call that being fluent in that language. So here we go. We're starting at the beginning. It starts with do ta day ta do day rest. And we're going to say rest in our head. Let's see if we can get to the end at the same time. 1, 2, ready and go. Do ta day do day rest. Do ta day ta do. Cinco pa do ta day ta do. Cinco pa do ta day ta do. If you were able to keep up and end at the same time as me, I think we would be in the fluent category. If it's not quite there yet, because that's a lot for our brain to think about, that's okay. It just means we're going to keep working on these steps. Practicing each little bit as we go is going to help. But our goal really isn't that's not our only goal today. Our goal is also to write those music notes. So we're going to set up our whiteboard or our piece of paper. All right, everyone. So we are going to get our whiteboard set up or our paper set up. You need either a whiteboard marker and eraser or a paper and a pencil, something to write these rhythms down with. Please pause the video and go get those now. All right, now that you're back, we are going to start with a 0 in the top corner. And after that, we're going to put a 4 in the other corner. We do this so we space out and we use all of the space we have because we need that space to write down the music notes. After that, we can write a 2 in the middle and then fill in 1 and 3, underline, and 1 line straight down. And then A for A section goes in, under the 0. From there, we're ready to start writing these rhythms. And then your job is to copy the notes onto your whiteboard or your piece of paper and keep it, because I want you to take a picture of it and record yourself clapping and saying it on your seesaw response. So first part of your seesaw response is going to be to do the rhythm. You're going to write it. And then the second part is going to be tell me your answer to your would you rather question, okay, that we did earlier in the video. So I'm going to put the rhythm back up. Set up your whiteboard so that it has these on the top. You can put the form in down here. Talked about that in a different week. And then your job is to copy all of these rhythms on all 4 lines. Line them up underneath the beat numbers. Okay, so these notes should be under the 2, and these notes should be under the 3. Once you have them and they're easy to read, take a picture of it and record yourself clapping and saying those rhythms. I'm going to keep the rhythm up there, but I am going to end the video. So you know what to do. And I'll just leave that picture up there so you have time to copy those rhythms. Press the pause button if you need to. Bye, everyone. I hope you have a great week, and I'll talk to you next time.